Hello, good day. We are now on our 6th week of our lesson in mathematics measurement. Under this is area of a composite figures. And welcome to my channel. This is Maestro05DX. And don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated on all my videos. Okay, to start our presentation, so Albin works for a company that remodels kitchens. In one kitchen to be built, rectangular kitchen figure is shown below. What is the size of the granite tiles that needs to cover its counterpart? So let me draw, and this is the length is 9 feet and the width is equals to 5 feet. So to find the size of the granite tiles, we need to get the area of the rectangle. So the area of rectangle is multiply the length by its width. So A is equals to length times width. Okay, to rewrite the length of 9 and the width of 5. So this is equals to A is equals to LW, and 9 times 5 is equals to 45 square feet. So Albi needs 45 square feet of granite tiles to cover counterpart. To define area is the number of square units needed to cover the surface area of a plane figure. And a polygon in its interior form a plane region. And we can find the area of the rectangular region or rectangle by filling it in with the square units. Take a look on this. So what is the area of this region? Wherein the length is 5 and the width is 4. So we have a rectangular array. So since the region is filled with 20 square centimeters, so its area is 20 square centimeters or 20 centimeters square. The number of square unit is 5 times 5. Again, to reiterate the definition of the area, so that is a number of square units needed to cover the surface of a plane figure. Okay, to reiterate the area of a rectangle, so the area of rectangle is the product of the length and the width. I'm just showing it to you. So that is the rectangle with the length and the width. Okay, so example number 2. Find the area of a rectangle that has a dimension of 7 meters by 4 meters. Draw. So this is 7 meters ang length, then the width of 4 meters. So that is, to substitute, that is equals to length times W and the width of 4 and the length of 7. So that is equals to 28 square meters. Next is the area of the square. And the area of the square is equals to S squared, or S times S, or side times side. So example, so find the area of a square tile with 13 centimeter side. So that is 13 centimeter and 13 centimeter. So that is equals to side times side, which is 13 multiplied by 13. That is equals to 169 square centimeters. Okay, next is for the area of the triangle, which is equals to 1/2 base times height. Okay, so this is the triangle and an equilateral triangle, and this is the height, and this is the base. So example, so find the area of triangle if its height is equals to 9 centimeter and base of 4 centimeters. So area is equals to 1/2 base times height, which is equals to 1/2 times 9 centimeter times 4 centimeter. To rewrite, 9 times 4 over 4 divided by 2, which is equals to 36 centimeter squared over 2. And that is equal to 18 square centimeter is the area of the triangle. Okay, next is the area of a circle, which is equals to pi times r, or pi r squared. And this is the circle with the radius r. Okay, example number 5. Find the area of a circle whose radius is 6 centimeter. Use the value of pi as 22 over 7. So that is equals to 22 over 7 times 6 centimeter times 6 centimeter is equals to 22 divided by 7. Approximately 2 decimal places is 3.14 times 36 square centimeter, which is equals to 113.04 square centimeter. So to round up to the nearest whole number, so the area of a circle is about 113 square centimeter. Okay, next. Find the area of a composite figure. So this time, you can sometimes separate it into figures with areas you know how to solve or to find. That is on how to get the area of a composite figure. Okay, so let me give you an example. So find the area of each shaded region. Assume that all angles that appear to right angles are right angles. Okay, so we have the height of 8 centimeter and the base of 6 centimeter. Let's get first the area of a triangle, which is equals to 1/2 base times height, which is 6 centimeter times 8 centimeter, which is the base and the height of 8. So that is equals to 48 centimeter squared divided by 2, and the area is equals to 24 centimeter squared. Okay, next, we have the area of the square, which is equals to s times s, or side times side, which is equals to 6 centimeter times 6 centimeter is equals to 36 square centimeter. Okay, so the area of a composite figure is equals to 60 centimeter squared. How? It's because you add the area of the triangle plus the area of the square, which is equals to 24 centimeter squared plus 60 centimeter squared is equal to 60. Next is the area of the shaded region. This time, this is a rectangle with a width of 3 and the height of 6. Both sides are equal. They are all equal, both sides of the rectangle. Okay? And the small one, the middle is 4 is the width. And of course, this is the 2 feet is the height of the small one. So since they are all equal, so this is 3 and this is 6. And the length of the whole rectangle is equals to 10 feet. That's the big rectangle. Now, the question is, what is the area of a bigger rectangle? So that is equals to, okay, length times width, this is 10 feet times the 6 feet is equals to 60 feet. And the small one, which is the small one, this is the small one. The bigger one is from here down, from this side there to this. And the small rectangle is this portion. This is the small rectangle. Okay, so length times width, which is equals to the width of 2 and the length of 4, so that is equals to 8 square feet. Now get the shaded region, so that is equals to, you just subtract 8 feet from 60 to get the shaded part. So that is 60 minus 8 is equals to 52 square feet. Okay, so that is the area of the shaded region. Next, you have the circle inside the triangle, and the height and the base of a triangle is 14 and the height is 12 with the radius of 4 centimeter. Let's get first the area of the triangle, which is equals to 14 by 12. So that is equals to 1/2 times base times height, which is equals to 14 multiplied by 12, and 1/2 times 14 by 12, that is equals to 1/2 times 168 square meters. So 168 divided by 2 is equals to 84 square meters. Next is the circle with a radius of 4, applying the formula. So you have pi r squared is equals to 3.40 multiplied by 4 meters is the radius, and the other one is 4. So that is equals to 3.40 multiplied by 16 square meters. So that is equals to 50.24 square meters. Okay, to redraw. So that is equal to, this is the base and the height. So since we talk about the shaded, so just subtract the area of the triangle by the area of a circle. So that is equals to area of triangle minus area of a circle, which is equals to 84 square meters minus 50.24 square meter. So that is equal to 36.76 square meters. Okay, this time is the area of a roller ring floor. So we have the two semicircles on both sides of the rectangle with the radius of 20 feet. And this is the length and this is the width. And the length is equals to 85 and the width of 4 feet. Let's get first the area of the rectangle. Let me draw or cut. So that is 85 feet by 40 feet. So area of the rectangle is equals to LW, which is equals to 85 feet times 40 feet is equals to 3,400 square feet. And for the area of the two semicircle, combining the two semicircles, the radius is equals to 20. So A is equals to pi r squared, which is equals to 3.14 times 20 feet times 20 feet is equals to 3.14 times 400 feet squared is equals to 3.14 times 400 is equals to 1,000 for 556. Next, let's get the total area of the ring floor. So that is equals to area of rectangle plus area of a circle, which is equals to 3,400 square feet plus 1,256 is equals to 4,656 square feet. And for our last example, this time is a leche plan molder, a square molder, and a circular or a circle inside the square with the diameter of 12 centimeter and the width or the length of the square of 12. Okay, so that is. Okay, let me get first the area of the square. Okay, so that is equals to the 12 inches is the side. So A is equals to S squared, or side times side times side, which is equals to the 12 inches multiplied by 12 inches is equals to 144 square inches. Next is the circle with a diameter of 12 inches, and to get the radius, we have to divide D by 2. So 12 divided by 2, R is equals to 6 inches. And to solve for A, or the area of a circle, is equals to pi R squared, which is equals to 3.14 times 6 inches times 6 inches is equals to 3.14 multiplied by 36 square inches is equals to 113.04 square inches. So since we are talking how much larger, so we have to subtract. So the area of the square leche plan is larger by about, subtract 144 square inches by 113.04 square inches, and the result is equal to 30.96 square inches. And for our evaluation, find the shaded or area of the shaded region, a rectangle inside the triangle. Okay, so the height of a triangle is 8, the base is equals to 6 centimeter, and the length of the rectangle is 4, and the width of 2 centimeter. And a rectangle inside the rectangle, the bigger rectangle has a length of 14 and the width of 8, and the small rectangle has a length of 9 and the width of 4 centimeter. Again, find the area of the shaded region. And that's it. And thank you for watching and listening. See you next time on my next video. Have a great day.